from the A. You so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way, it must be, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'.
So y'all, today we have a 13x4 transparent lace wig in 24 inches body wave, and I'm very excited for this. I love a 13x4 wig. Like, I love full frontals. Don't get me wrong, I love closures too. This is a closure right here that I'm wearing, but I love all kind of wigs, but you know, I love doing like sideburns. So yeah, I'm not sure what this is right here, but this came in the package as well. I actually assuming this is some kind of tape, maybe to like hold my wig in place, but I wouldn't even know, like, begin to know how to use this, where to put it, how to install this under my wig. So yeah, and it also comes with an elastic adjustable band to attach to my wig. And this is the unit, 24 inches y'all. Wear and go. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached as well. It's definitely giving scalp, like. Okay, so I see the tape right here. Actually, it has some tape in there already, so I guess you just put the tape in the wig like this, and then you take it off and like tape it right here, like tape it right there. That's actually really smart. And this is what the unit's looking like. Definitely getting wear and go. So very excited to install this. It looks good. The plucking is amazing. Like, the plucking job is great. It looks so good. Looks very natural. Definitely looking true to length. Definitely giving 24 inches. And yeah, y'all, this is the units. So and I'm just realizing I've never gotten a unit like this where the lace is literally already cut. Like, I know with closure wigs, like, they're usually always pre-cut, but I've never got a frontal that is pre-cut like this. So. All right, so let's just throw this wig on straight out the box and see, you know, what it's giving. It's supposed to be a glueless wear and go wig, so let's see. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Okay, I understand it now. It really just hit me that this is glueless, because once you take off this little tape and glue it down, you literally can wear this as a glueless wig. That just blew my mind, y'all. I've been doing wig installs for a good little minute, and I just never thought of that before. A glueless frontal. All you need is tape. Like, hold on, y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put some makeup on this lace, because you can see it a little bit. It is a little bit chalky. So let's just go on with some makeup. Hope that's not too dark. Okay, that's looking good so far. And I'm trying to decide like what kind of style I want to do with this, but I think I want to do like some barrel curls with the curling iron. But this just looks amazing out the box, y'all, like, really. So I'm gonna get my hot comb and flatten this out a little bit at the top. All right, so I do think I want to do some baby hairs on this unit. Even though it doesn't come with baby hairs, I am going to add some, because everything else is already done for us. Like, we haven't done nothing besides hot comb it a little flatter, and I mean, yeah, it's literally done for us. So just add a few baby hairs. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take off this glue with this tape and see like how this works. First, let me like wipe my hairline with some alcohol so I can make sure that this is really gonna stick like the first time, you know, I do it. I don't really know. I've never done this before, but let me find out if this works. I'll be wearing glueless frontals everywhere because people always ask me like, can you wear this frontal as a glueless wig? And I'm like, I've never worn a frontal as a glueless wig. Like, how does that even work? Like, but I see now, like, tape. And I just can't believe I never thought of that. One, I just can't believe I never knew it existed where you can just like put the tape on a wig and tape it to your head. Like, that's so genius, and I'm just so mad. I've been out the loop this whole time. Crazy, y'all never told me that. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut off a little bit of this lace on the side because it is a little big over here. A little bit more lace than we need. Oh, not that much now. Did not mean to cut that much. Well, I guess that's a better fit. All right, so let's take this off now. I'm assuming this is tape, yeah. Okay. Now let's place it. Yo, it's actually sticking. Like, I don't like that you can kind of like see the tape. Like, it looks shiny, but I mean, this is definitely a glueless wig though. Like, that works. Let's do this side if I can get it off. Wow. I mean, for this to be glueless, like, that's not bad. So when I first curled the baby hairs, the flat iron was only on like 300, and I was like, why are these curls not curling? Like, it's not really curling up, but it's because it was down too low. And once I turned it up, that's when the curls really like curl really pretty, like that. Like, I love my baby hairs like that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this Fantasia spray on my edge brush and just kind of lay these edges down. They kind of just already land on top of themselves because I curled it. So I'm just kind of, you know, guiding where exactly I want it to lay. That's just too freaking cute. One thing about it, I bought this curling iron, and I'm so glad that I bought it because the curls with the curling iron just really do give, y'all. Like, I love these curls. And I kind of want to cut the lace a little bit to kind of give it like a little bit more of a shape, because right now it's just kind of like, I don't like that look, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit. And once I cut that off, y'all, the lace was looking very good. It was looking very much natural, and this is the final looks of the hair, you guys. First of all, I just love how the curls turned out. Like, look at this right here. Look at the volume. Boom. I love doing that with the comb, with a wide tooth comb, and just giving the hair volume and fullness and like letting it hang in my face. Then I took some of that cheese silk infusion and I put that all over my hair, which is why it looks a little bit more sleek now. And yeah, y'all, this is how the hair turned out. The curls turned out so bomb. This unit is literally 100% glueless, as y'all seen. I didn't use any glue. I didn't have to bleach anything. I didn't have to pluck anything. Really didn't have to cut anything. That was just my choice to give the lace like a widow's type peak. And yeah, y'all, that's the final looks of this install. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment any questions, any comments, any concerns, and make sure you subscribe for more content just like this and more. And if y'all want to shop this unit, the link to this glueless unit will be in my Amazon storefront, so click that in my description, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.